Hi everyone, welcome back to Samaje's Fun Adventures. So for today's video, I will be painting a bunny on Samaje's face.
Samaje's Fun Adventure.
Okay, so what I'm using for this tutorial is some water-based face paint and not acrylic. Don't use acrylic paint, guys. Don't use the acrylic crap paints. Use paints that are designated for body and face only.
Alright. Not for like paper or something.
No, you don't want to use that. And so just activate it with water. This is not sponsored by Tag. I just want to show you guys what I use. Okay, so first start off with the white. Take some sponges. And just go ahead and these sponges you guys could buy it at the dollar store. Okay, so just create the part. There you go. And I'm gonna bring it all the way up here. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look. It's easy, right guys? Now, take a pointed brush. Very easy, guys. Very easy, very simple, very fast. These are great for, this is a beginner's level. Anybody could paint this. Okay, take a pink. With the sponge that you use, now I'm going to do it just a little dab, and this one is going to go to the nose area. Like that. You got a cute little bunny. Now I also want to add some pink to his cheeks. So what I want to do is I'll make the child smile. So just smile like that. Okay, just hold it and then just paint above right here. Okay, and do the other side. Black. It's coming together. There you go. Some cute little whiskers. You could also add some eyelashes. Close your eyes. There you go. Starting to look like a cute little bunny. Now we're gonna add some teeth because bunnies have big front teeth. Take the white. Take a flat brush. Just go ahead and draw right there in front. And then draw 2 lines in the middle. Anything for the bunny. And this optional, this part is optional. Just draw something like this. Go. And there you go. We have a very simple and fast bunny. But of course, our bunny won't be complete without some bunny ears. There you go. So go ahead and show our friends what you look like with some bunny ears, or also have these or you can also make your own bunny ears. So I have these DIY bunny ears. I have it somewhere in here for the videos. Okay, so you guys can make it if it's a last minute costume for the kids. It's great for Easter, Halloween costume, last minute costumes. It's really simple to make and fast.